The B-21 Raider is the U.S. Air Force's next-generation stealth bomber. The B-21 Raider, pretty well, it's indeed positioned as the U.S. Air Force's next big leap in strategic bombing, evolving from the B-2 Spirit with enhanced stealth and versatility. Let me break it down, verify the details against the latest info, and add some context on where things stand as of late 2025. The Northrop Grumman is building it for the USAF, and it's designed to replace aging bombers like the B-2 with superior stealth, extended range, and integrated tech for modern warfare. The core stealth features you mentioned, radar-absorbing materials, low thermal signature engines, and a refined flying wing design, align with its sixth-generation classification, making it extremely hard to detect via radar or infrared sensors. On capabilities, the unrefueled range is indeed over 6,000 miles, allowing global reach without mid-air refueling for many missions, and it can deliver precision strikes while sharing real-time data with allied forces. It goes beyond traditional bombing, too. Electronic warfare like radar jamming, drone coordination, and potential future autonomy are part of its open systems architecture, which lets it integrate new tech quickly. That's a big upgrade from the B-2, making it more adaptable in networked battle spaces. Now, on the smaller, cheaper, more efficient front, it's smaller than the B-2 for easier maintenance and deployment, and efficiency comes from that modular design. But costs? The target was around $550 to $700 million per unit in adjusted dollars, but recent reports show Northrop Grumman has taken over $2 billion in losses due to manufacturing hikes, pushing the effective price closer to $750 million or more per jet, as you noted. Still, that's cheaper than the B-2's $2 billion plus tag when adjusted for inflation, so it's a relative win for taxpayers, assuming production ramps up smoothly. Latest updates as of December 2025. The program is progressing with flight testing. The second test aircraft arrived at Edwards AVF in September 2025, revealing more details like refined air inlets and possibly improved sensor integration. The first Raider, nicknamed Cerberus, has been in testing since early 2024, and there's talk of initial combat readiness as soon as 2026. Bases like Ellsworth AVF in South Dakota are getting upgrades, for example, runway reopenings, to host the fleet, strengthening U.S. long-range strike options. However, the Air Force is grappling with broader bomber fleet issues, like surging production needs amid global tensions and potential delays from budget resolutions. Overall, the B-21 isn't just a bomber. It's a multifaceted platform that's a stealth warning, as you put it, deterring adversaries by being able to strike unseen. It's exciting tech, but with costs ballooning and geopolitical stakes high, it'll be interesting to see how quickly it enters full service.